Hey guys, and welcome back to exercise number 7 of the SolidWorks basic tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be modeling a blank gland. The component will be modeled using the sketch, extrude, and cut features as always. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the component under question. We're going to first of all copy this into SolidWorks. We create a new part, paste, set the background to plain white, and before we start, we're going to look at the component. One thing we notice here is that exercise number 7 is pretty similar to exercise number 6. The difference here is that the base is not a square, it's rather a hexagon. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Select top plane, sketch, this to the side, and we're going to be drawing the, just a second, hexagon right here. Select this point, assign dimension, distance between this edge and this edge is 115 millimeters. Select OK. We then extrude using the extrude boss base feature. We're going to extrude this to a height of 20 right here. So 20 millimeters. Okay. There, we created the base of this component. To create the cylinder here at the top, select this surface, sketch, use the circle tool, draw a circle, smart dimension, and assign a diameter of 85 millimeters. Okay. Go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, and extrude this to 105 minus 20, right here. 105 minus 20. Select OK. Okay, so now we're going to use the fillet tool and create this fillet section right here. We're going to use the fillet radius of 10. Next, we're going to proceed with the holes here at the top. So select this surface, sketch, select circle, draw one circle, smart dimension, assign a diameter of 57 millimeters, and we're going to cut this to a depth of, right here, see, 57 millimeters. So right here, 57. Okay. Finally, we select this surface, sketch, we draw another smaller circle, assign dimension. The dimension of the smaller circle is 38 millimeters. Go to Features, Extrude Cut, and select OK. There. Finally, if we look at the drawing right here, there's a chamfer, there's a cut right here. So to create that, we go to Fillet, good job on right here, and there's a chamfer option. So select chamfer. We select this edge right here, and we're going to chamfer this to an angle of 30 degrees. Select OK. There you have it. Let's delete this image. To better view the chamfer, let's use this section tool right here. As you can see, there's a chamfer section right here and inside the component. Let's design material, steel, cast carbon steel. Okay. So that concludes exercise number 7. Thank you all for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in exercise number 8. Until then, bye-bye.